Welcome to Young Techies. My name is Sanika.
My name is Soham.
And I am Amresh. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to write if-else program with a real life problem.
Let's say there's someone at your door, okay? And because it's COVID-19, if they have a fever, I want my program to do this. Like, if they have fever, then the person behind the door will say, can you go and rest?
Okay.
Go back to your house and rest. And if they don't have fever, then I'll ask them saying this, please welcome in.
Oh, okay, perfect. So basically what you're saying is we want to solve a problem, a real life problem in COVID-19, right? That allows person to come in if he has no fever, and it allows, request him to, to go and take a rest if he has a fever. Any thoughts, guys?
We should first stick with the facts.
Okay.
So we know that the normal temperature of a fever, or like the temperature that a normal person should have is 98.5, I believe.
Correct. So it's 98.5 Fahrenheit. That's right.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we also know that a person with a fever does not have that temperature. And it would be higher than 98.5 Fahrenheit.
You mean the one who has fever?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good.
So if we want to code something like this, we need an if-else statement.
Well, that's the solution part, right? So have we understood the problem correctly, right? Have we understood the problem that, okay, the fever is, like you said, if the temperature is below 98.5, no fever. If the temperature is above 98.5, fever. So that's the problem statement. Good. Is that good? Okay, perfect. All right, guys. So let's take a look at algorithm. In this problem, to find if the person has a fever or not, here are the 3 steps that we need to go through. Step 1, get the temperature, body temperature in Fahrenheit. Step 2 is check the body temperature with 98.5. The sub-step within 2 is if the temperature is less than 98.5, then print a message that welcome inside. And if the body temperature is higher than 98.5, print the message that please go back and take a rest. The step 3 is, of course, end the program. Let's start writing a code. So let's create a variable and let's name it body temperature. It's actually a good practice generally to name the variables more in line with what they actually are. So let's name it body temp just to make it easy. And let's start writing a simple code. So we said if body temp, and look at these modern languages. It's like they tell you, in fact, what you may mean in some cases. I didn't came this time, but that's okay. So let's say where body temperature, let's put it 98.6. Let's just assume that the guy has some fever. So we are seeing here, if body temp is greater than 98.5, remember that was the condition we had as per algorithm, then we're gonna print you need to please take some rest. Please take some rest and see you in a couple of days. Make sense? And then we're going to say else. We're going to say print welcome in, and we have to put a closing, so we have to put the full stop. So let's run the code and see what happens. So look at that. So the guy has a temperature of 98.6, and hence the code is saying to take a rest, which is perfect. Let's try it on somebody whose temperature is, let's say, 98. Run the code here. This is welcome in. Right? So that's it. That's your if-else statement right there. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.
If you liked it, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
Also, hit the bell icon so you can get more of our videos.